Pet owners at one point or another are faced with unexpected veterinary bills, but with today's tough economy, for many people that can mean some tough decisions about the care of an ailing pet. Our resident veterinarian, Dr. Craig Pryor, is here now to talk about what you can do if you're having trouble affording veterinary care. I mean, it's like your own personal health care, something you need to take care of,
yes,
but something that some folks tend to sacrifice when times get tough.
And often by sacrificing veterinary care, they end up running into steeper veterinary bills because of it. So, just basic things like keep your animals up to date on immunizations, keep them on their monthly parasite preventions and heartworm preventions, because these things stop diseases which will run into the hundreds of thousands of dollars to treat. So very easy things to do. Keeping them on a good diet. People often cut corners on diet, and that you can eat a balanced diet or you can eat fast food. Well, which are you going to do? And so ask your veterinarian which Hill's prescription diet is appropriate, because if you keep on a good quality diet, we can prevent disease. So now that being taken care of, stay with your preventative care. Let's talk about what to do if you are looking at bills. And, health insurance is out there for pets now.
See, I don't think a lot of folks know about that.
No, and there's it's starting to get crowded. So we're starting to see premiums come down. Vanderbilt employees can get it by payroll deduction, and it actually makes affording veterinary care very affordable, and there are really good plans out there. So I would look at that as an alternative. And your veterinarian can guide you to the plans that are here locally. And $25 a month will get you pet insurance. So now it makes it a lot better for you. So now let's talk about what else to do if you're having problems. Talk to your veterinarian about payment plans. Most of us will do payment plans for established clientele. I've got a list of things to talk about. Talk to your bank if you need to. Use a credit card. Banks will do loans. We actually have ability to set you up with loan agencies that will do credit lines that you can pay off over time, things like that.
Without a super high interest rate?
Yeah, well, I mean, that's between you and the lender and your credit score and everything else, so we don't get into that. We just put you into contact with people that can help you out. There are shelters out there that can help you, so you talk to the local Humane Association, because they will often funnel you to where there are local funds that will help. Locally, we've got the National Cat Rescue, we've got the Brown Dog Fund, which can all help out. There are the national breed societies like the Breed Rescues. If you've got a Sheltie or, there's Sheltie Rescue, you name the breed, there's a rescue for that, and they will often help out with veterinary bills as well.
Wow.
Then just, logical things, talk to family and friends, ask for help. I've known people to pawn stuff, because you can replace a TV but not your pet.
Sure.
So there are lots of things out there. The AHA actually has a Helping Pets Fund, and that's the American Animal Hospital Association. So you can go on their website, Google. Use the internet to help find out
help with vet bills or something like
these
that.
Type of things. Yeah. So they're sort of the major ones you can do. And a lot of it is understanding the care your pet needs. So talk to your veterinarian. Understand what's involved. If you can't afford it, communicate that. And we will always work with people. We always try to find, we try to fit within people's budgets.
Sure.
So it's always a matter of just that communication being there and knowing what the expectations are.
Well, and I guess having a good relationship with your vet before there is a major life-threatening problem is so important, because then you've got a base of relationship from which to work.
Exactly. And that's what we stress, stay with your preventative care, because that's staving off major bills later that we could have prevented in the first place.
All right, some good information. Hope nobody out there is going to need it, but I bet somebody is. And thank you for helping us with that.
Pleasure.
We appreciate it. You can reach Dr. Pryor at the Murphy Road Animal Hospital. We'll put all that information on our hotline and on our website. We're going to get